Hi guys!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Another video.
So ngayon guys, ang nire-react naman. Tapos na po kami dun.
Yeah, if you guys saw that, she was overreacting. Actually, no. That's a perfect reaction. Because you know what? I would react that way too if I have met my favorite rapper. But now we're listening to Justin.
So guys, ngayon po ang nire-react namin is yung kay Justin naman. Okay? Yung kay Justin naman. So let's go. Let's play the video. Parang malabo. Ito na yung pinakamalinaw na nahanap ko guys.
Justin?
While we walk slowly under the street lights, we hold each other's hands. Oh, so tight and dark, I can feel it like it's real.
Inosenteng inosente. No?
Yeah. Oh my god! People have like whatever, like lighting. I wanna go to this concert. Yeah! He's so good! Oh my god! I think his favorite color
Oh my
is
god,
orange
that's
as well.
Yung outfit niya guys, no? Inosenteng inosente si Justin. Tingnan niyo yung sapatos niya, shorts, tsaka yung ano niya, yung top niya. Diba? Inosenteng tignan. Tsaka tignan niyo yung crowd, yung screen. So magical tignan, guys. Tapos yung mga tao, sinasabayan siya ng pagkanta. Oh my God, imagine kung nandiyan ka. Tapos lahat ng tao kumakanta, sinasabayan siya. Oh
I'll be
God,
like,
that's so
Justin!
magical.
Justin! Justin, please! Justin!
So magical.
Are those bubbles? There's bubbles?
Tingnan yung mga tao kumakanta. Diba?
One more time.
Dang!
No way. I think those robots are like launching bubbles.
I think so too.
And who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that? I was gonna say who's that is.
Wait. Who's that, guys?
Who is that? Can y'all tell us in the comments? Who is
Yeah, comment nyo guys kung kilala nyo to.
that? I have
Sino
no
to?
idea because it
Ano
doesn't
to?
say. It doesn't say in
Alam ko
the.
siya lang naman yung kumanta sa ano, di ba?
Yeah, it does not. It doesn't say it like in the title. Oh my God, that looks like Ate Ian. Look, right?
Yeah. Yung mukha ng pamangkin ko, guys.
That's her. That's her. Imagine. Oh my God. Are they about to kiss?
What?
Oh my God, they're about to kiss. Oh my God, they're about
Wala,
to kiss.
ikikiss ni Justin.
Oh my God,
Wala na, hindi ka na inosente. Ay, kinis niya? Kinis niya? No? Ano ang kinis?
Ay. Listen to it.
I can see. Oh,
Kiss! Come on.
hindi naman sila nag-ano lang siguro.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Dang, yung ano ng mga tao, dinig na dinig.
Ang loud, no?
Mhm.
They said that if the crowd is loud, it's
So good.
it means your concert is good. Like they're singing your song while you're singing your song. I love
Ano,
it.
dinig na dinig mo yung sigawan ng mga tao.
Justin! Justin!
Isa po
If
sa
whoever's recording that, if I was
pinakamatagal namin
all you're gonna hear
kaibigan
is
na
me saying Justin.
ang tunay na boses sa surreal. Yan po. Pakilala mo naman sarili mo.
Ah, isa din siya sa kumanta sa Surreal. May boses din yung
Oh,
bata.
yeah, that- oh, yeah, that was the
Meron
girl.
ba?
Yeah,
Oh,
that was the
yeah,
girl.
yeah. Oh, siya pala yun.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
She's so pretty.
I know.
Oh my god, that was so good. I thought they were about kids.
Oh, ito ba? Ito pa. Oh, Moonlight. So yeah guys, ang galing-galing mo, Justin!
Doing so much. Look.
That's Terry Xiang.
Okay,
So
hold on.
guys, ang galing mo, Justin. Ang galing po ng mga tao. The best po yung mga nanonood. Talagang sumasabay sa kanta ni
Trust this.
Justin.
One day. No. In about 2 years. 2 years approximately. I will travel to Philippines to go see Justin and make a duet video with him.
They could do it video?
Yeah. Trust this. Y'all remember my name, Matthew. Remember my name, Matthew X Justin collaboration. Remember. Keep that in mind, y'all.
Okay. Hindi naman masama mangarap, diba?
No,
Why
keep
not?
it in mind, y'all.
Everything is possible.
It's not. I mean, oh, I like that one.
Be, yung ilaw masakit sa mata. So, kung yun ang gusto mo, why not? Support
Justin likes
kita.
orange, by the way. Oh my god, you know what? In about 2 years from now, I'm gonna travel to the Philippines, meet Justin, and then we go make a video about the color orange. Cause I like orange and he likes orange. So we're gonna make
How do you know?
orange is the best
Hey,
color.
How do you know Justin
Yeah.
like orange?
In the Wish Bus video where he was wearing orange,
Hindi niya lang yung orange. Alam mo na lang paborito niyo.
no, because they were wearing all colors.
Oh, yeah,
Ken
okay.
was wearing red.
Oh, sige.
Star was wearing blue. No, that was Josh.
So, ano masasabi
Josh is
mo sa
wearing
kanta? Ano masasabi mo dun sa reaction mo dun sa performance ni Justin?
It's the best.
Yeah, di ba? Ang galing.
Duh.
Innocent.
I already know what I was saying. It's the best.
Innocent siyang tignan, no?
Innocent show.
Innocente.
Innocent.
Tsaka yung parang so magical tingnan.
Okay, bye guys.
So yeah guys, I enjoyed the video. So magre-react pa po ako ng ilang pang video. So thank you so much po for watching. Ang galing nyo po SB19. Ang galing mo Justin. So siguro po susunod ko re-react yung kay Josh naman. Yung performance ni Josh. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Ha ha!